to use Apple gift card for Mobile Legends. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you will be able to use your Apple gift card for your Mobile Legends. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that just simply search for Apple gift card and you will be landed to the official website of Apple where you can buy and purchase Apple gift card of your choice. So just simply click on buy, and here on this page just simply select the card of your choice. For example, if you want e-card, just click on email, or if you want a physical copy of a gift card, just click on email, and after that just choose the card design of your choice. And after that just choose the amount that you want in your Apple gift card, for example $50, and after that just enter your details like the recipient name to which you want to send the gift card. For example, if you are ordering the gift card for yourself, you can write your name here and enter your email address, and just enter your name because you are sending it to yourself. Just enter your name and your email address here, and after that you can also write a personalized message. And once you are done filling in all these details, just click on select, and then your Apple gift card will be there in your email address in a form of e-gift card. And once you receive the e-card in your email address, and after that you just have to copy the Apple gift card code from the Apple gift card that you will receive in your email address. And once you are done, just open your Apple Store, and after that on the search bar just search for Mobile Legends and just click on install and get the application in your device. And once the application is downloaded, and once the app is downloaded, then you will be able to use your Apple gift card code in the game itself to make any in-app purchase in your Mobile Legends game. Then you will be able to utilize your Apple gift card that you have purchased in your Mobile Legends games. You can buy different models or characters in your Mobile Legends game using your Apple gift card. You can also play on a different multiple modes, and you can do multiple things. So this is how simple it is to use your Apple gift card for your Mobile Legends game. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.